Cheers.
Cheers. And tonight on Wine Wednesday, we are going to talk about something that's one of the most common questions that we get here at Kriz PT.
And that question is, what is shockwave therapy?
So many people are hearing about it, but yet nobody understands it. So radial shockwave is a therapy that uses acoustic pressure waves to that are being delivered into the irritated tissue.
Right, and it's used for Achilles tendonitis, other tendinitises, irritated tissues, muscles that are in spasm and contracted, chronic soft tissue irritations and problems.
And plantar fasciitis.
Among others.
Okay. So the goal is to stimulate circulation, improve tissue healing responses, and to help reduce pain sensitivity.
Right. Many people come to us after they've tried everything, stretches, strengthening, balance work, and just haven't resolved the issue. And that's because Achilles tendonitis or plantar fasciitis can be pretty chronic conditions. Even elbow tendonitis can be very chronic and long term.
So our goal is not just pain reduction, it's helping people get back to walking comfortably, playing golf, playing pickleball, doing all the things that you enjoy doing, exercising, just going for a walk on the beach, and traveling. And we want to make sure that you stay active and that you can do everything that you want to do.
And shockwave is usually just a small piece of an entire treatment plan in which, as I was referring to earlier, we look at your mobility, your strength, not just mobility in the foot and ankle, but also throughout the entire kinetic chain, but also strengthen your core and other stabilizing muscles that help the foot act and whatever body part act efficiently.
Technology works best when it's combined with the right movement strategies, the right strengthening, the right motor control of those muscles. So that is what helps us get you back to moving better and living better. So cheers to an active life. And don't forget, when you move better and live better, you can enjoy more of this with your friends and family.
Cheers.
Cheers.